Hello everyone, and it's a privilege and honor to have with me Dr. Kaushik, who has just secured AIR 32 in NEET as a surgical group 2025. So, welcome, Dr. Kaushik, and congratulations on achieving such great rank. And very glad to have you. So, just describe how is it feeling, and just tell us about your whole background, and just tell us about you.
Good evening, sir. First of all, thank you, sir. It's a pleasure meeting you, sir. It was actually I'm from Tamil Nadu, sir, Namakkal, a small town, and I did my undergraduation and post graduation from Madras Medical College, sir. And then I finished my post graduation in October 2025, sir. Then I started preparing for the NEET examinations. Then I secured the rank, All India rank 32, sir.
Right. So,
As
yeah, please.
no, sir, can you?
Yeah, so what is special talking to you is that many students before the exams, like post your when your batch MS exams got over, many of students contacted me that how they can prepare, will they be able to give the exam properly, can they crack it? I think you are an example that no matter what you have prepared, if you have good knowledge, concepts are clear, and if you give dedicated whatever time you have after your MS, if you can give, it is achievable. It is not that obviously all are going to do it, but it needs some dedication and hard work, and you prove it that if you can, if you want to, you can give a very good attempt, and you are an example that you can achieve a great rank as well. So that's a great thing, and many students should take an inspiration from you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just tell us about the preparation journey. How has that been? That I
Uh,
specifically want to know about what you did in your final year MS. How did you prepare for your theory, which in some way helped
yes,
you NEET assess?
definitely, sir.
And after the exam, how did you prepare? Just tell us about that.
Sir, actually, initially, for theory exams, I prepare. Actually, I think I prepared very well, sir. For the theory exams and also for the pracs, also, sir. I thought I prepared really well, sir. But I didn't get the good marks. I just passed, sir. I was so pissed with the marks, sir. But I thought I would use it in this way, sir. I prepared really well for that exam, so I thought I would use this for my. But it will boost my preparation well. And then in the late November, I started preparing for the NEET SS.
Right. So what was your base preparation for your MS?
Sir,
Like what did you go books?
Bailey, and Sebastian, sir. I referred
Right.
both books.
So you read both books.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, Bailey, total almost 80 to 90% I read, sir. Sebastian, important chapters, they mainly in MS point of view, the clinical case chapters I read thoroughly, sir. So other
Right.
chapters here and there I read, sir.
Right. So you read your base was Bailey and you added on Sabiston for
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
some topics.
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. So what and how did you do and what exactly you did in this last 1.5 month after your MS in
Sir,
between NEET SS?
sir, actually, I didn't have any idea, sir. Actually, a friend of mine helped me, sir. He told me that we will be very weak in the other specialties, sir, like neurosurgery, CTS, and all. We wouldn't have read, we don't given much importance in the
Yes.
exams. So he told me that you read this. I had only 1.5 months time, sir. So I just asked him, what should I do? I cannot read everything now again. I told him, so he told me that you just read the general and neurosurgery, CTS. CTS, he told, he suggested, sir, because it is very fruitful. There will be many questions we won't answer, he told, sir. So CTS, neurosurgery, vascular, plastic, and transplants. The transplant also, we haven't given much importance in the university exams, sir.
Yes.
So I made sure that I am thorough in those chapters. And sir, frankly, that I didn't touch gastro, Euro, endocrine for the last 2 months, sir. All those were for my practical preparation, sir. Last touched I
Right.
that time only, sir. So I read
Right.
these topics and made thorough, sir. Last 2 weeks, I just revised, sir.
Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
I think you know what inputs they can take from you, especially for the PG third years. So there are two types of students. What I feel is one is who may be preparing from their starting of the third year for NEET tests as well, and there may be certain students who prepare for their MS, and then in the last 1 2 months they give a try for the NEET SS. So I think this will cater to them specifically, that they can learn that you have to be sincere. Whatever, don't try and open
Sir.
new things. Just revise whatever you have already read.
Yes, sir.
So coming next to the thing is that about how did you incorporate MCQs and where did our platform help you
Sir,
in that, and how
sir.
does it, yeah.
So great pot, sir. Actually, it was such amazing, sir. The Decathlon mock series were like, sir, I was suggesting all my friends to use this app, sir. I was just telling them that I use this app. It will be very nice. My friend, sir, his name is Harish, sir. He told me this app, sir. He only told me I used it for 1 or 2 mocks, sir. And then I was very impressed with the questions, sir. The questions were very clinically, sir. That was sir, same kind of questions I got exposed in the needs. The questions were clinical, sir, and there were subjective questions, sir, not objective, sir. They were subjective. Four options can be there, but we have to choose the relatable one, sir. So it was very useful for this exam, sir. I was so much, sir, while doing my NEET exam, I was so pleased that I did in this app, sir. So initially, I started giving weekly one GT, sir, last 1 month. For initial 2 to 3 weeks, I gave only weekly once GT, sir. The last 10 days, thought that I should make use of these Decathlon mark series. So I started giving 2 days once GT, sir. One day I will give, sir. Actually, what I would do is I will give GT in the morning, sir. After waking up, I will start the GT, sir, and I will revisit the questions in the evening, and I will see, sir, what should I do, what I have done wrong. I just made through that. I will revise all the 150 questions and revisit and just check what aspect I went wrong. And I made questions. I made notes, simple notes, just a key points, that this should be this, and I made a key points. And last one day, I revised those questions and those things. That was very useful, sir.
Right. Thank you so much for that kind word. So, that's a very important thing. What I want to highlight here is that whatever you read for MS, you revise that and you incorporated mocks. I
Yes,
think
sir. Yes,
if you
sir.
cannot give proper time to preparing in a very wholesome manner, you can solve MCQs and
Yes,
specifically
sir.
incorporate mocks.
Sure, sir. Sir, and also, sir, what I felt was I don't have to know very much, but I should be very thorough and I should be very crystal clear in my concepts and the protocols, sir.
Yes.
I didn't have to read very vast and not Greek and Latin, sir. Just questions were not very unfamiliar, sir. It was all the questions were familiar, sir. But the key thing we miss is the concept, sir, and also the time, sir, because the time was very crucial in that exam, sir.
Yes, I think that's a very important thing that what happens is that students try to go for rote learning, but I feel that your conceptual knowledge is very
Yes, sir.
important
Yes,
and
sir.
very well
Conceptual.
you highlighted that. So next, what I want to ask you is that you utilize the mocks in a smart manner. So what exactly you already mentioned that you solved and you reviewed it and you made a mistake journal. I think that's a very important thing what students listening to you should take a note of and incorporate in their preparation.
Yes, sir. And
Mm.
also the last minute pearls you gave, sir, that was very boosting, sir. I revised, exam was an afternoon, sir. So the next day morning, I started revising all the three PDFs you gave, I think, sir.
Yeah.
The tabular columns and the class TNM classifications and the recent studies and all you gave, sir.
Yes.
That was also very useful, sir. I used this for the last minute preparation, sir. That was very helpful, sir. And in that group, you gave motivation every day, sir. That was also very useful, sir. And you told not to worry. And I was initially stressed about the Subsystem latest edition, 22nd edition. So I didn't read anything from it, sir. And you told, sir, that no, it won't make a much difference. Just have your concepts right. You told, sir. That's what I
Yeah.
believed, sir. I didn't worry much about that. I just made my preparation. What I could do, I did, sir. No other extra things I did, sir.
Yes, I think that's a great thing that one is about staying stress free. Second thing is about having confidence in what knowledge you have and making sure you revise that. because what sometimes we lack is we may have revised, but we are very stressed. Sometimes we are not confident in ourselves. I think that all things are what they should take from you, that having a proper mindset, being confident, being positive, understanding and knowing your sense that okay, I have read this, I've revised this, I can do it. So that are all the things which are very important, very correctly highlighted. So as a routine, I always ask my students that if any, you already mentioned the good things about our platform, if you want to add on or if you have any feedback which we can improve upon in our app, please mention.
No, sir, no feedback, sir. I was initially worried, sir. Actually, in the preparation time, I was worried, sir, that one, I think 2 to 3 days, there was a glitch in the app, sir. I couldn't use the GT, sir. I was so frustrated, sir. Sir, please make it clear, sir, because we
Yeah.
want to use GTs. That time only I was gaining momentum, sir. So at that time, there was a glitch, sir. I couldn't use the GTs, sir. So I was a little bit worried on that time only, sir. But otherwise, the contents are clear and the explanations were very crisp, sir. I loved it, sir, really.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So, coming to the end here, Dr. Kaushik, give the floor open to you. Share a inspirational message to all the candidates who are in your journey where they would be in their PG and they would be appearing for their MS. How would you advise them to go about the NEET SS preparation? Just to give us the floor is yours.
Sir, first of all, I thank my family, sir. They were very
Yes.
supportive for this, and friends and my colleagues and the MMC, my surgical team, sir. They were very helpful till since the beginning, sir. They were very motivating, sir. And the thing is, sir, you have to know, don't have to know all the fancy things, sir. You have to be very clear in your basics, and we have to be clinical knowledge is very useful in these kind of exams, sir. That only, sir. Don't have to worry much about the unknown things. You have to be basic things only, sir. Exam was totally around 120 to 130 questions were basic, sir. Basic imaging and basic wordings only, sir. Nothing much, sir. So the thing is, you have to get out of the fear and you should give a try, sir. That's what I want to tell, sir.
Yeah, that's a very important message what you have given, and I think all students listening should take a note of this. So, coming to the end, Dr. Kaushik, what would be the career? What are you planning to pursue? Are you in double minds right now? What is your current scenario? What you are planning for? What is your first choice and second choice?
So currently, I'm in a dilemma, sir, between Onco and Gastro, sir.
Right.
I never thought I would achieve this rank, sir. I thought I would achieve around a 700 or 600. So I would get, most probably I would take a DNB seat in some gastro institutes, sir. But I didn't think I would get this much, sir. So I'm in a dilemma, sir.
And I think now you have a problem of plenty in that now you have more choices, so you are going to
Yes,
get
sir.
more confused. But no worries, all the best, and welcome to the field of super specialty. And we would definitely connect after this to, and I'll be of any help if I can for your clearing your dilemma. Please feel free to reach out. And again, congratulations and thank you so much for taking out time. And it has been privilege and honor for me to be taking your interview. So best of luck for your future and welcome to the field of super specialty.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Once again, I want to thank you for the beautiful app, sir. That Sushruta app. It was very useful, sir. Because of this only, most probably I would have gotten this seat, sir.
And thank you so much. And I would just tell that it is all your hard work. No matter we were just some help to you, and I'm happy that we could be of that help. But all kudos to your hard work for achieving this rank. So congratulations again, and thank you so much.